Let's do it. Now, I think we all know that I wasn't the biggest fan of the Nuraphone experience, but those headphones sounded amazing. Absolutely amazing. Really great sound. So they're good if you can deal with that experience. But that's not what I'm here to talk about today. Nuraphone has done something epic. I mean, epic in the headphone community, man. If you're a headphone junkie and you want to experience Nuraphone, but you would just like be holding yourself at bay because they were $400 retail. $400 is a lot of stinking money. So what Nuraphone has done now I know they got the Nurabuds coming out later this year. Not concerned about that. I will try them out because I want to try it. But Nuraphone has done something spectacular. So my man LDJ80 on Instagram was messaging me, and then he sent me to the Nuraphone site because he wanted me to look at the earbuds, and then immediately comes up NuraNow. It's a subscription service to the Nuraphones. So here's the deal: $9 a month and you can have the Nuraphones until you're done using them. It starts out at $9, goes up to $15. So let me give you some details real quick. And I could be missing something, but it doesn't look like you'll ever own the Nuraphones, which is kind of fine with me, I guess. It's just a subscription. When you're done with the headphones, at whatever time you are, you just cancel your membership and you send them right back. They actually control them. They will shut them off. That way you can't use them no more, and done. And you're done. I guess if you don't pay your bill, they shut them off just like the light company would, and you're done. You send them back. No contracts or nothing like that either. All right, so what I'm reading here is, okay, you got $9 a month. The first $9, you pay $9 for your first month's payment, and then $100 up front. So a total of $109 today, and then every month after that it's $9. You get to use the Nuraphones anywhere, anytime you want to, and you got all the latest and greatest updates and warranty and everything else included in the Nuraphone ownership. That is the lowest tier membership you got there as far as like putting the most money down. But if you only got $30 to put down, because it's a $30 upfront fee and $12 a month, then that means you can have all the same benefits of the Nuraphones, just like I described before. But the initial payment is $42. Okay, so if you want to do the $15 a month subscription, then there is no upfront fee. Let me make sure. Yeah, no upfront fee. You just pay $15 today. They ship you your Nuraphones, and you just listen to them bad boys and experience them for as long as you want, for $15 a month. So I looked at all the, the fine print and stuff, and I just don't see where you actually own the headphones. But think about this, man. The Nuraphones retail for what, $400, right? They retail for $400. So let's say you did the $15 a month subscription. So 15 times 12, because you don't have to put any money down, that is $180 for the year, times 2 equals $360 for 2 years. So you could own the Nuraphones for 1 to 2 years for less than it would be to go ahead and buy them outright. And the reason why I say that would be cool is because a lot of times inside of a year or maybe even 2 years, people are changing headphones, man. Headphones are coming out all the time. And I'm pretty sure there's going to be a Nuraphone 2. The Nuraphone 1 was great. The experience isn't for everybody, so maybe they're going to tweak something and come out with a Nuraphone 2. So instead of just dropping 400 bills today and owning them, you can just sign up for the subscription service. Maybe it's 9 months from now when they come out with the next one. You can upgrade your subscription to the next Nuraphone. That is freaking crazy. It's a game changer. Let me put this phone down. It's a game changer in the headphone space. Okay, and it seems like everything is going to subscriptions. We got Netflix type of stuff. My editing software. It used to be to where you could just buy editing software, and you still can, for maybe $300-$400, right, and just own it outright. But then that's it. You might get an update, but you will not get the next version until you pay for it again. $300-$400 a pop. I use Adobe Premiere Pro. It is a minimum of $22 a month for that subscription. I will never own that software. It used to bother me at first, but I kind of like it now. So I think everything is headed towards subscriptions, but I never thought it would come to headphones, especially from Nuraphones, but it makes sense because they are very expensive headphones. Think about it, man. What if other headphone companies started doing this, like Sony with their XM3s, or Bose with their QC35s, or Bowers and Wilkins, B&O, all the high-end top tier headphone companies, what if they started charging you for a subscription, maybe anywhere between $5 and $15 a month, for you to just listen to the headphones at your pleasure, and then when you decide you don't want them no more, they cut you off, and then like you can't not listen to them anymore, probably can't even power them on anymore. You got to send them back, and it's a done deal unless you want to upgrade to something else. That would be so cool, man. And that way it pretty much opens up higher end headphones for people who couldn't normally afford it, because now the cost is spread out over time. I think that's really cool, man. A lot of things are going to subscription service. So in the comment section, let me know, what do you think about the Nuraphone or the NuraNow subscription service? And what do you think about subscription services as a whole? And like, seriously, will you be getting the Nuraphones via NuraNow? I want to know in the comments section. Let me know if you're going to be getting the Nuraphones via the NuraNow subscription service. That is a question. That is the question of the day. I want to know. So put it down in there. I won't be doing it again. I mean, I've already tried them. It's just not for me. But definitely in the future, when they come out with more stuff, I'm going to engage in this stuff, man, because I like it. I like the way that this is going. And I can't wait to see what's coming next, man. Who else is going to do something big like this? This is big news, man. I'm super excited for this. So hopefully Nuraphone pioneers this thing very well in the headphone space. That way other people kind of just tag along for the ride and start doing the same thing. You can either buy them outright, or you can do a subscription, turn them in whenever you're done with them, and just be done with it, man. That's gonna be so cool. Think about this. What if they did this with other tech that you've been wanting to try? That means you can actually try it now with little or no risk. That's awesome. Game changing. So I'm definitely giving Nuraphone 2 emoji hands up, because this is a game changing thing for the headphone space, man. Anyways, I'm no expert in this kind of stuff. I just felt like dropping some news on y'all real quick. But before I get out of here, if you ain't done it already, you make sure you tap that like button, smash that subscribe button, and I'll see y'all at the next video. All right, apparently you had a good time watching this video. Well, today is your lucky day, because I done already made a whole bunch of them for you to go back and binge watch. But if you just want to check out the new stuff, you make sure you smash on that subscribe button and tap that little bell. That way you'll know when it's time to come back and open up some new stuff.